Samsung T7 Portable SSD Review. Fast, reliable, and perfect for on-the-go storage. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-speed portable SSD, look no further than the Samsung T7 Portable SSD. In this video, we break down everything you need to know about this powerful storage device, from its lightning-fast performance to its sleek design and top-notch security features. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just someone who needs reliable external storage, this video is a must-watch. Blazing fast speed and performance. One of the standout features of the Samsung T7 is its incredible speed. With read and write speeds of up to 1050 MB/s and 1000 ms, this SSD is perfect for handling large files, 4K videos, and heavy-duty tasks. In the video, you'll see real-life speed tests that showcase just how fast this drive transfers data, making it a game-changer for anyone who needs quick access to their files without long waiting times. Compact and durable design. The video highlights the T7's sleek, compact design, making it super easy to carry around in your pocket or bag. Despite its small size, the build quality is impressive, featuring a solid aluminum body that can withstand drops from up to 6 feet. This makes it a reliable choice for travelers, photographers, and videographers who need sturdy storage on the go. Wide compatibility and easy setup. Another aspect covered in the video is the SSD's versatility. The Samsung T7 is compatible with a range of devices, including PCs, Macs, gaming consoles, and even Android devices. It comes with both a USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A cable, ensuring you're ready to connect to just about anything straight out of the box. The setup process is simple, and the video walks you through it step by step, so even beginners can get started right away. Top-notch security features. If security is a concern, the T7 has you covered with AES 256-bit hardware encryption and optional password protection. The video explains how to enable these features through the Samsung Portable SSD software, giving you peace of mind that your data stays safe and secure. Real-world use cases and recommendations. The video does a great job showcasing different use cases for the Samsung T7. Whether you're editing large video files, expanding your gaming console's storage, or just backing up important documents, the T7 handles it all with ease. The video's thorough comparisons with other SSDs on the market give viewers a clear understanding of why the T7 stands out. Final verdict: is the Samsung T7 worth it? By the end of the video, it's clear that the Samsung T7 Portable SSD is a solid investment for anyone in need of fast, reliable, and portable storage. The combination of speed, durability, and security makes it a top contender in the SSD market. And this video explains it all in an engaging and easy-to-understand way.